sledding 2. I'm Sam.
I'm Luke.
And we're Freedom. Hi, I'm Ace.
Okay, let's get up again.
Can we go down there?
Yeah, we can do it there.
Stop. All right, guys. Okay. Wait, no, I have a different idea. You need to be all in on each other.
No, I'm in the back. Hey, can I grab on your feet? Okay. Ready?
No, we're all in. Now let's go. Thank you! Thank you!
I'm a survivor too. I'm a survivor.
Looks like I win Survivor today and I get $1 million.
I'm a survivor too. Ow.
No!
I tried again.
Where's your head, fellow survivor?
It's all good. I kill you! Oh, crap. Monkey Mom!
My nose hurts.
Okay, come on, one more go. Make it a good one.
All right, now,
I go back to
for extreme season sledding 2
The second
Blue?
one.
bloopers. Okay, guys, let's go.
This is our screw up. This is our loophole.